everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aditi Verma, finally a medical student at Lady Hardinge Medical College, New Delhi. And if you're new to the channel, do not forget to click on the subscribe button because this video is going to be extremely special. This is all about the hostel tour of Lady Hardinge, and in this video I've tried to cover everything that is present within the hostel premises and also the much needed tour that you wanted, that is of the hostels that are going to be allotted to the first years, that are you people. So I've included that also, and if you have any sort of doubt other than that related to the college, related to the hostels, or related to the admission process, you can always drop a comment in the comment section. Do not forget to click on the like button, and without further delay, let's just begin with the video. Place where all the chaos, comfort and character development begins. Welcome to the UG hostel. So this spot right here, no, it's not for watching lovers or becoming one. Bhool jao. We come here for the real romance, that is the strong network. Only place where WhatsApp loads without sync connecting. Trust me, it's less pyar zone, more Wi-Fi zone. So the UG hostel is basically divided into different blocks, and they will be allotted to you based on the year you are in. Further, here comes the mess. And by mess, I mean the queue and the kiosk. The line is so long, sometimes you wonder kya ye passport office hai. But once you make it through, the food, let's just say it's edible on most days. Every day has a separate menu, however it gets repeated within a week again, and it does turn monotonous at times. And mess से निकलते ही ये water cool और इसके adjacent the badminton court, the most intense battlefield after the exam result day. People come here to relax, but somehow friendships get smashed more than the shuttlecock. And this is the place you've been waiting to look at. This is the south block and the block in which you are going to get your hostel. So there are adjacent rooms back to back and also attached windows with it. So let me take you inside these. फिलहाल nobody is staying here, so you will get to see the most raw form of the room. Since Hardinge में single room allotment नहीं होती है, so you can see multiple beds are placed here and you will get the roommate assigned already. This is the almirah, and there are multiple almirahs in which you can arrange your stuffs, your backpacks, your books, everything. And ये bed भी खुल जाते हैं, so you can even keep your stuffs inside it. And दूसरी side निकलते हैं, so there's a small balcony here which connects two rooms, and it is pretty spacious. यहीं पर ही wash basins are there, and there are separate washrooms, basically attached washrooms, which two rooms are sharing. And this is the other room that you can see. Again, the same beds and the almirahs there, and fans are attached. There are no AC appliances here. And फिर यहाँ से निकलते ही on the other side there is another building which is the Cent block, जहाँ पर आपके seniors रहेंगे, and you will also get shifted in the second year. And trust me, survival तो मुश्किल है, but you will make bonds that are going to be unbreakable. And there is another building for the final year and the interns also. But फिलहाल के लिए इतना ही. If you want to look at my room, do comment down and I'm going to show you that too.